The new Hyundai Grandeur sedan series, which offers remarkable levels of elegance and refinement, is unveiled by the automaker. It incorporates features related to technology, safety, comfort, and luxury. The new Grandeur's exterior design is distinguished by the futuristic full-width LED blades at the front and back, which are a common feature across the Hyundai model lineup. The headlight bar includes the turn signals and DRLs, but the actual headlight beam is located lower on the front bumper, as well as multicolored ambient lighting connected to the digital cockpit. This process expands on its own when the driver. Grandeur can also be unlocked using the NFC sensor on your phone, and the engine can be started by placing it on the wireless charging pad when passengers are close to the car. T comes with 3 different engine options: a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine, a 1.6-liter turbocharged hybrid 4-cylinder engine, and a 3.5V 6-liter engine that is available in both petrol and LPG versions. The most powerful trim can produce up to 295 horsepower.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.